Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
1 year has 4 seasons, 1 week has 7 days, and 1 day has 24 hours. So what Chinese characters can express these units of time? Let's begin our Time and Season series. You've probably heard of China's biggest traditional holiday, Lunar New Year. It's the day a new year begins on the traditional Chinese calendar, and it also feels like a turning point. Winter is ending and spring is on the way. In Chinese, we call it 春节, the Spring Festival. Today, we will learn the character chun. There are 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. And chun is the first one, spring. In Chinese culture, chun also symbolizes everything coming back to life, new growth, and life being born. When chun appears in a word, it usually points to things in spring or activities people do in spring. For example, 春天 means spring. 春风 means spring breeze. 春雨 means spring rain. 春色 means spring scenery. 春日 means spring sunshine or a spring day. 春笋 means bamboo shoots that grow in spring. These all describe things related to spring. 春游 means a spring outing. 赏春 means to enjoy the spring scenery. 寻春 means to look for signs of spring. 闹春 means lively celebrations to welcome spring. These are all springtime activities. It can also be used metaphorically to talk about life and emotions. For example, 青春 means youth. 思春 means longing for love, often said in a teasing way. 春心 means romantic feelings or a crush. 春梦 means a dreamy love fantasy. Let's practice reading it. 春 chun chun. In the Oracle bone script period, the character chun was often written as a picture, the sun with plants or grass starting to grow around it, like a lush field under warm sunlight. It captured the idea of a season that's warming up, where everything wakes up and starts growing again. Over time, that ancient symbol slowly evolved into the character we use today. And even now, you can still feel the same image in it, sunlight and new life growing. The character chun has a top-bottom structure. The top part keeps the feel of the ancient form, and the bottom part is a reminder of the original sunlight idea. Now let's learn how to write it, following the rule top to bottom. Step 1. Write the top part. Start with 3 horizontal strokes, like writing san. Then add a left falling stroke from above, cutting through the middle of those 3 lines. Next, write a right falling stroke underneath. Together, they look like a big person shape. Step 2. Write the bottom part, zhi. The stroke order is a vertical stroke, a turning stroke, an inner horizontal stroke, and a bottom horizontal stroke. Here's one tip. Keep the top and bottom balanced in size, and the character will look much nicer. In China, Lunar New Year is also called Chunjie, the Spring Festival. Around this time, families decorate their doors with chūn, Spring Festival couplets. They're red couplets with lucky words, like little blessing poems, wishing the family luck and happiness in the new year. A set of chūn has 3 parts. When you stand outside facing the door, on the right is the upper couplet, shāngliān. This is the first line. On the left is the lower couplet, shāliān. This is the second line. These 2 lines are written like poetry. The meanings should match and mirror each other, and the rhythm often feels balanced and musical, with a matching tone pattern. And above the door, right in the middle, you'll often see 横批, a horizontal strip. It's usually a 4-character phrase that sums up the meaning of the whole set.
Chun lian carry a family's hopes for the new year, so you'll see lots of auspicious, joyful words on them.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More Chinese character stories are coming soon.